Hi my loves, want to show you this bomb highlighter from Lotus that I recently got my hands on and how this will add the glam quotient to my party wear look. It has a golden plus champagne tint, very shimmery. For those who don't know, highlighter is a makeup product that reflects light. I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face and areas that I want to pop or stand out more, like cheekbones, chin, along the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, and forehead. I love how it gives my partywear look the radiant glow. Enjoy a glowing skin with this perfect highlighter from Lotus. See you in the next video.